How to protect yourself from negative energies and energy vampires. Simple lang. Don't play with them in the lower realms because the lower realms with a lower consciousness is a hell realm. So, bring them in a higher plane and play with them in a higher frequency. So, dito sa hell realm, it just like a fire to fire. So, kapag galit ang isang tao or meron siyang fear, anger, so ibig sabihin, it creates more fiery element. So, kung lalabanan mo rin siya in the same level, ibig sabihin, pareho kayo ng level ng consciousness. How to do it? Send them your love and wisdom. The play in a higher realm is all about a higher awareness. It is all about using your wisdom and your discernment. It is all about being wise how to use your energy expenditure para hindi ka ma-drain ng mga negative people na ito or itong mga energy vampires na ito na gustong siphon or gustong kumain ng iyong energy. Ano ang ginagawa ng agila kapag meron ding gustong umatake sa kanya? So, dadagitin niya ito pataas and then para ibagsak niya rin pababa. That is how it works.